Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class, we are going to recall about all the concept in chapter 3. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is in and out. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should listen and do. Listen, children. If I say in, you have to clap your hands twice. Then, if I say out, you have to stand up and raise your hands. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. In, out, out, in, out, in. Super children. Children, tell, how do we know what is happening around us? Children, listen. We have 5 ways to know about things. These are called senses. The 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. 5 parts of the body that helps us to sense are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes for sight, ears to hear, nose to smell, skin to touch, and tongue to taste. Children, now we are going to recall about eyes. Children, tell which organ helps us to see. Children, tell, how will you see? What are the things present in our surroundings? Yes, eyes. Eyes are an important part of our body. Without our eyes, we would not be able to see anything. They helps us know about different colors, shapes, size. Listen, eyes see things and send message to our brain about them. The brain then tells us what we are seeing. So children, we should wash our eyes with plenty of clean water every day. Children, now we are going to recall about ears. How we will hear the sounds from surroundings. Children, tell which organs helps us to hear. Yes, you are right. Ears. We hear sound with our ears. Different things make different sounds. Some of these sounds are soft while others are loud. So children, listen. Ears receive sounds and send message to our brain. Then the brain tells us what we are hearing. Listen, our brain also tells us where the sound is coming from. We move away from very loud noise. It is harmful to our ears. Children, now we are going to recall about nose. Children, tell which organ helps us to smell the things. Yes, you are right. Nose. We smell with our nose. Listen, the human nose has two nostrils. Our nose is lined with very small hair-like structure that trap dust and other small impurities of air. Nose has special cells which helps us to smell. Something smell good. For example, flowers and perfumes. Something like cow dung and garbage smell bad. Listen children, when we smell something our nose send a message to our brain. Listen, the brain then tells us if the smell is good or bad. Children, now we are going to recall about tongue. Children, tell which sense organ is used for tasting. Children, tell whether your brain can taste without your tongue. Can you taste without your tongue? Listen, we taste different things with our tongue. We taste sweet, sour, bitter, and salty foods. Our tongue has taste buds on it, which helps us to find the taste of food. Listen, children, the tongue sends the message to our brain. The brain then tells us the taste of the food we are eating. So, children, we should take care of our tongue by cleaning it daily while brushing our teeth. Children, now we are going to recall about skin. Children, tell. Listen, I am going to give a clue. Guess it. Children, imagine you are riding a bicycle. Suddenly, you got hurted. How would you identify the pain? Yes, by touching our skin. Children, tell how shall we able to say whether a given object is soft or hard? Yes, we are able to do this with the help of our skin. Listen, our skin is sensitive. Our whole body is covered with skin. We touch and feel with our skin. Listen, we can feel if something is hard or soft, dry or wet, hot or cold, rough or soft. When we touch something, our skin sends a message to our brain. The brain then helps us to feel if the things is hot, cold, sharp, etc. Listen children, skin is the largest organ of our body that acts like a blanket covering our entire body. Children, now it's time for worksheet. Do page number 30 in workbook. MCQ question, children. Choose the correct option. First question. Some animals like dash give out light. Option A, butterflies. B is frog. C is fireflies. Second one, dash is a example of natural source of light. Option A, candle. B is tube light. C is sun. Third one, dash helps us to understand the world around us. A is sense organ. B is abdomen. C is muscles. Fourth one, our tongue can identify tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter, and dash. A is salty. B is crispy, crisp. C is soft. Fifth one, sense organs and receiving a sensation. Send message to our dash. A is heart, B is brain, C is skin. Children, now it's time for homework. Do page number 33 or 34 in workbook. Children, this is your creative part. To generate awareness about the importance of our sense organs. Children, listen. Show the importance of sense organs in our body and how they helps in keeping us in contact with the world. Show this by doing one of the following. Children, you have to do any one of these three works. First one, make a collage on ways to protect your eyes, or write few lines on the ways to keep your skin clean, or perform a skit in group of 5 where each person assumes the role of a person without any one sense organ. How would you interact with each other? How would you ensure you understand each other? Value caring for oneself. From these three things, you need to do only one and upload your work in Google Classroom app. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.